Hello, today I want to make a video on this mannequin head. I used her for a seminar that I did a little while ago, but we were kind of running short of time, so we didn't end up finishing it and going quite as far back as I usually would on a client. So what I'm going to do today is just retouch everything, just go over it and make it nice and fresh, and I want to take it back here and probably land on a blue so it's kind of the same as the front, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to go over that. And also I am going to just put some silver shampoo through the mannequin head, through the blonde here, just to kind of make it appear a bit more on the silver side. And she is going to be prepped and used for an expo that I'm going to in a couple of weeks' time. So I will just make a little video for you to see how I do what I do. Enjoy! Lighting's a bit crazy today. Sun's out 1 minute and then the clouds are out. Anyway, so this is my finished prism. As you can see, if you follow my Instagram page, you're probably familiar with this kind of technique. So that's what it looks like up close. Trying my best to deal with the lighting. And now I'm going to just go and get some purple shampoo in a tin bowl. And I'm probably going to just mix in a little bit of water so it's not too strong. Sorry about the lighting, it's just crazy. And then I'm going to apply that to the ends, and then I'm going to just leave her sit for about 20 minutes like that. And if this were a client, what I'd usually do is just kind of put a layer over there and then fold it up out of the way. I'll show you. Stick some mesh over the top. There we go, now she can see. Back with the finished result. I've rinsed it out in cool water, and this is what we've got. So you can see that that blonde is much more blonde and less yellow. And this is our rainbow. That's better. I needed to go over. So yeah, you can see they're super vivid. Lots of rainbow happening in there. Now I'm all set to take her with me to the expo. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget